Laido.
Where's the other one?
Right there.
Mírala ya. Uno aquí, uno
Oh!
abajo.
That one is closer.
Mhm.
The blue jay looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
What the freaking?
So it is true. His hair is up.
Where does
Like that,
that
like
bird comes from? Oh my god.
Comes from Renee.
Oh my god.
Ooh, the back looks cool.
Mhm. Oh, mira, they're lovers.
Oh! They're lovebirds.
Ay.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy and daddy.
Mhm.
But just blue jays.
Do they have babies?
Where are the babies?
I think they're still in the nest finding food.
Yeah.
Están en the nest,
Mhm.
acurrucaditos.
Doing snuggling.
Wait, Mama. Should we
Their
get?
shells.
Should we give them food? Like the ships?
No. The other one?
Why? They can't eat that.
No, because we need to let the nature do its work.
Oh, where's the other one now?
And they're doing a good job because
Oh, there it
look
is.
at them.
Oh, wait,
Look
that's
at-
a robin.
Look at that one in the ground. They're trying to get worms.
Okay, but where's the other one?
The
Se
other
escondió
one,
detrás de un palo de eso.
they're taking out
Oh yeah, I
worms
see. It's like in the lightning and
and insects.
So birds aren't
I think that's
mammals.
I think that's the mom,
Birds aren't mammals.
and the lazy one is the father.
What do you mean, Mama? That makes no sense because he's like down there in the woods. Well, it looks like a woods, but like there's more.
Doing nothing in the branches.
No, but
And this one is working, getting out worms from the ground. That's the mom.
Birds aren't mammals.
Looking for food
No.
for the
Birds
cute.
Eat,
and yeah,
they can't
and
feed
why
milk.
he's doing
milk
this
to
too?
their babies.
He's doing the same thing.
Exactly.
No.
Got to find food.
Entonces, ¿qué hay ahí?
But what if they don't have babies? So they're just gonna eat the food. That's what they're gonna do. Oh, there's a red robin down there.
Red robin?
Yeah,
Red Robin, you know.
Where?
right there. And next to the house. The tiny house right there. So somewhere over there. Yeah, I see it.
Where?
It's right there.
You mean that?
No, that the little tiny house right there.
Tiny.
Right there somewhere.
Is it,
Never mind, flew away.
Oh,